A goat is one of the most underestimated creatures on Earth. People see it and think of stubbornness, but they overlook the truth. The goat is one of the strongest symbols of resilience, determination, balance, and relentless upward movement. The goat teaches us one of life's greatest lessons: no mountain is too high when you're willing to climb. A goat doesn't wait for the perfect path. It doesn't complain about how steep the mountain is. It doesn't fear the edge or the fall. Instead, it takes one step, then another, then another. Slow, steady, unshaken. That is how it reaches places most animals will never touch. Humans often freeze at the bottom of their mountains. We look up at our dreams, our goals, our challenges, and fear takes over. We doubt ourselves. We wait for perfect timing. We wait for someone to guide us. We wait for courage to magically appear. But the goat teaches us that progress is built through motion, not perfection. The goat climbs because climbing is its nature. And whether the path is cold, sharp, or dangerous, it continues upward. Not because the climb is easy, but because the view is worth it. One of the most powerful lessons from the goat is balance. A goat can stand on cliffs that seem impossible, on ledges so narrow they look unreal. And this balance is not luck. It is the result of awareness, focus, and steady intention. In life, you need balance too. Balance between patience and ambition. Balance between rest and grind. Balance between confidence and humility. Without balance, even the strongest fall. But when you master balance, you can stand in places others think are impossible. The goat also teaches us fearlessness. Not the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward even when fear exists. While many animals avoid danger, the goat moves toward challenge. It trusts its steps. It trusts its instincts. It trusts its ability to survive the climb. This is a lesson for anyone who hesitates, doubts, or feels unworthy of their dreams. Fear will always whisper to you, but courage is the voice you must follow. Another lesson is resourcefulness. Goats survive in harsh environments, places where food is scarce, water is limited, and conditions are rough. But the goat makes the most of what it has. It adapts, it adjusts, it finds a way. Life will not always give you perfect conditions. Opportunities may be limited. Resources may be few. Support may be scarce. But the goat reminds us that greatness is not built from comfort. It is built from creativity, persistence, and the refusal to give up. The goat also teaches independence. It does not follow the crowd. It does not need approval. It does not seek comfort in numbers. Some of its greatest climbs are done alone. Some of its most impressive paths are walked without anyone watching. This is a lesson many people struggle with. We fear moving alone. We fear not being understood. We fear walking a path that others cannot see. But goats reach heights precisely because they are willing to go where others won't. Another powerful lesson is patience. Goats do not sprint up mountains. They move slowly, deliberately, always sure of where they place their next step. They teach us that success is not about speed. It is about direction. One small step taken consistently will take you farther than 100 giant steps taken inconsistently. And then comes one of the greatest lessons of all. The higher you climb, the more you must protect your peace. Goats stay high above the noise, high above danger, high above distraction. They remind us that not everyone can follow you to the top, and that's okay. The higher your goals, the smaller your circle becomes. Some people are not meant to go with you. Some people cannot handle your elevation. Some people will fall behind, and you must be willing to climb anyway. Finally, the goat represents elevation. constant elevation. No matter how far it climbs, it keeps searching for higher ground, not to compete, not to impress, but because reaching new heights is who it is. This is the essence of the goat mentality. Rise a little more each day, climb a little higher, grow a little stronger. You don't need to leap to the top. You just need to take the next step. The wisdom of the goat is simple yet powerful. Climb your mountain, find your balance, embrace fear, adapt to challenges, move independently, protect your peace, and rise again and again. No matter how steep your path is, no matter how many times you slip, no matter how slow your climb may feel, you were born with the strength to rise. Be steady, be fearless, be relentless, be like the goat.